contemporary home design with natural materials as a place to relax and reconnect with nature. Introduction: designing a sanctuary that reconnects you to nature. Welcome back to Decor Today, your ultimate destination for inspiring home design ideas that combine aesthetics with functionality. If you're someone who believes in the power of natural materials and how they could transform a home into a peaceful sanctuary, then this video is for you. In today's exploration, we're diving deep into the world of contemporary home design that uses natural materials to create spaces where people can truly relax, unwind, and reconnect with nature. Whether it's through the use of wood, stone, or other organic elements, this design philosophy merges modern architecture with the calming effects of nature. If you find this video inspiring, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Let's jump in and see how natural materials are changing the way we live and experience our home. Embracing natural materials for sustainability and comfort. When it comes to contemporary home design, one of the main focuses is on sustainability. Incorporating natural materials into the construction of the home not only contributes to a reduced environmental footprint but also adds warmth and texture to the space. Natural materials such as stone, wood, and clay create an immediate sense of connection to the outdoors, while also offering a practical and sustainable way to design the home. For example, wood floors, stone countertops, and exposed brick walls can help create a calming atmosphere that soothes the mind. spaces that reflect the natural world. A key element in contemporary home design is the emphasis on open, airy spaces that are designed to let in natural light and connect with the surrounding environment. Large windows, sliding glass doors, and open floor plans are used to create spaces that feel less enclosed and more integrated with nature. The idea is to break down the traditional barriers between indoor and outdoor living, creating an almost seamless flow between the two. The use of natural materials, such as timber framing or stone cladding, brings the outdoors inside. Using wood to add warmth and texture. Wood is one of the most widely used natural materials in contemporary home design, and for good reason. It's versatile, durable, and has an unmatched ability to bring warmth and texture into any space. From hardwood floors to timber-clad walls, wood adds a tactile quality to the home that can't be replicated by synthetic materials. The natural grains and hues of wood create a sense of calm, making it an ideal material for spaces designed to promote relaxation. Whether it's through the use of reclaimed wood, which tells its own story, or sustainably sourced hardwood. other earth materials for a grounded connection to nature. Stone is another natural material that plays a significant role in contemporary home design. It can be used both as a structural element and as an aesthetic feature to add texture, contrast, and visual interest to any room. Whether it's stone walls, countertops, or flooring, this durable material grounds a home and creates a tactile connection to the earth. Stone is often chosen for its natural beauty, and its ability to withstand the test of time makes it a practical and timeless choice. The use of stone also brings us incorporating indoor gardens and natural landscaping. One of the best ways to bring nature into your home is through the integration of indoor gardens and natural landscaping. Contemporary designs often incorporate plant life in a way that makes it an integral part of the space, rather than just an afterthought. Indoor plants not only purify the air but also provide visual interest and contribute to the overall aesthetic. Green walls, potted plants, and even indoor trees can be used to create a sense of tranquility and add an organic touch to the home. Additionally, the exterior landscaping plays an essential role in connecting Designing for flexibility and adaptability. Contemporary homes that focus on natural materials often incorporate flexible and adaptable design elements that allow the space to evolve with the needs of the residents. Open floor plans, multi-purpose rooms, and movable partitions all allow for a fluid, flexible living environment. For example, a home office can be transformed into a guest room, or an entertainment area can double as a yoga studio, all with minimal effort. The use of natural materials adds to this flexibility by creating spaces that can be personalized and customized over time. The neutral tones of wood, stone, creating intimate spaces for rest and relaxation. A significant aspect of contemporary home design with natural materials is the focus on creating intimate spaces where individuals can retreat and relax. Whether it's a cozy reading nook made from reclaimed wood, a meditation corner framed by indoor plants, or a bathroom that feels like a spa retreat with stone tiles and wooden accents, these intimate areas provide a sanctuary away from the stresses of everyday life. These spaces are designed with comfort and relaxation in mind, with carefully chosen furniture, soft The role of light and air in enhancing natural materials. Light and air are essential components in contemporary home design, especially when natural materials are used. The way light interacts with wood, stone, and other organic materials can dramatically change the atmosphere of a room, making it feel more alive and vibrant. Large windows, skylights, and open spaces allow natural light to filter into the home, enhancing the warmth and beauty of the materials used. Light not only highlights the textures and patterns of natural materials but also creates a sense of openness and Conclusion: a home that reflects the beauty of nature. In conclusion, contemporary home design that focuses on natural materials offers a unique opportunity to create a space that is both beautiful and functional. By embracing materials like wood, stone, and clay, these homes can become sanctuaries that reconnect individuals with nature while offering a comfortable and sustainable living environment. The integration of natural elements, large windows, and flexible spaces results in a harmonious blend of modern design and the natural world, providing a peaceful retreat from the stresses of everyday life. If you've enjoyed this exploration of contemporary homes,